Spiders invading your home this autumn can feel downright unsettling, but what if you could keep them out without causing them any harm? This might sound too good to be true, yet here's the reality that most people don't talk about. There are completely humane and effective ways to discourage these eight-legged visitors from making themselves at home when the cooler months roll in. Every autumn, my social media feeds and group chats flood with photos and stories of massive spiders discovered in homes. But here's where things get interesting. Despite the media frenzy, it's not that spider populations have suddenly exploded. Instead, this season marks the start of their mating period. By late summer and early fall, many house spiders reach adulthood with males actively searching for mates. Combine this with dropping temperatures, and you get a natural push for them to seek shelter inside our warm, dry houses. I'll admit, huge spiders can be intimidating, even though, let's be honest, they're usually more afraid of us than the other way around. Still, my heart hesitates at the thought of harming these creatures. So, I've developed some clever, cruelty-free strategies to prevent them from entering my living space. This means that when the occasional spider does show up, I can muster courage, grab a cup and a piece of paper, and guide them safely outside. Let me share some of my favorite methods for keeping spiders out as the temperature drops. Spiders have incredibly sensitive hairs on their legs, which they use like tiny sensors to smell and taste their surroundings. Interestingly, certain scents that humans often enjoy, like citrus and peppermint, are overwhelming and repellent to spiders. Essential oils extracted from these plants can flood their sensory system and effectively keep them at bay. I personally mix water with a lemon-scented solution, then spray it liberally around my windows, door frames, and any spots that might serve as entry points. Citrus contains a natural compound called limonene, known for repelling many insects and spiders. This explains why citronella candles are so popular in the summertime. They keep pests away by masking inviting smells outdoors. Another natural repellent often recommended is tea tree oil. While it has a strong aroma that can be effective, it's generally not as powerful against spiders as peppermint or citrus oils, so I consider it a secondary option. On a more practical note, leaving doors or windows open during this time is basically an open invitation for spiders and other critters. Although it becomes easier to keep them closed in cooler months to retain warmth, it's worth inspecting all access points for tiny cracks and gaps. Sealing openings around window frames, door edges, or foundations can make a surprising difference. Installing a door sweep under exterior doors is also highly effective in blocking unwelcome intruders. We often think of spring as the prime cleaning season, but autumn and winter are actually perfect times to do a thorough sweep of your indoor spaces. Spiders love dusty, cluttered environments because they provide plenty of hiding spots. Keeping your closets neat and clothes properly stored, vacuuming floors, especially corners, under furniture, and along baseboards, and promptly cleaning up crumbs or food residues can dramatically reduce the chances that spiders will settle in. Spotting and removing any spider webs as soon as you see them is crucial too. Spiders dislike rebuilding their homes in areas that are constantly disturbed. Since spiders typically come from the outside environment, don't forget to check around your yard. Outdoor lights attract insects, which in turn attract spiders hunting for food. Switching to yellow bulbs or dimming lights can lessen this effect. Also, trimming back bushes and branches that touch or lean close to your house reduces easy access to your walls and windows. If you maintain a compost heap, make sure it's positioned far away from your living spaces, as it draws insects that spiders feed on. At its core, the principle is simple. Anything that draws spiders or their prey should be kept as far from your doors and windows as possible. But here's a provocative thought. Should we always be so eager to banish spiders who play vital roles in ecosystems by controlling pest populations? Could embracing a spider-friendly mindset indoors change our relationship with these often misunderstood creatures? I'd love to hear what you think. Do you agree that humane spider prevention is worth the effort, or do you find these creepy crawlers better off outside your home no matter what? Share your thoughts below, and let's get this tricky conversation started.